Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this large tag stacking pocket die set. So this is released in the September, and yeah, I have time now. So this is the one that I made in Halloween version, and this is the die set. So basically you only need to cut all these pieces one time, just like this is the background piece, and this is the background piece, and this is the background piece, and then these two are the layering pieces. So this one is for this one, and this one is for this one, and then for this one I cut it 2 times, so one with like solid paper and one with pattern paper. So in this way, the background would be more sturdy for your tag. And then you also get this piece as the whole reinforcement. So I have cut it in the gold color. I love this one. This gold paper is so beautiful to make in your projects. So let's get started. So first I will stick all the layering pieces on top. Okay, so all the pieces have been sticked on, and I have also put this whole reinforcement on top. So now let's first stick this piece on top of this one. So here you can see all these folding lines, and you need to stick this, fold this on like so. And for this piece, fold it like this, and then fold it back. So here is, these are the folding lines. So first fold it in, and then fold the second folding line above. So like this. And then also fold this piece in. So this piece is going to be the groove flap, and this piece is the groove flap, and let's also do the same to this one. So first fold in, and then fold back, and then fold in. So it looks like this when you put it together. And what I did is that I first stick these two edges on these two. So I think it's better. You can do it just the way you want. I just add screw on both ends and then stick it at this part. I think it's better for stick this piece on the background piece. Yeah, just hold a second so the glue could dries better. Okay, now add glue on these 3 sides and stick it here. So line the bottom part up with the border of your background piece, and yeah, just line these pieces to the edge. And use the bone folder just so it could stick better, dries faster. So this pocket is ready, and let's also do the same to this pocket. So first fold this piece in, and also do the same to these. Just fold in and fold back, and then fold in. So very easy to do. Just make sure you fold it in the right direction. See, like so. Super easier. And now also add glue on both ends. And now add glue on these 3 sides. And now also stick this part to the end of this one. Just stick them to the bottom part and make sure they lines better. Okay, use the bone folder. Okay, super easy and fast, right? So the pocket is ready to go. So you have your tag, and you could just make a background piece at this part and make this pocket again at this part. Then you could have a tag that holds 4 pockets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. And I think that would also be very cute. Or you could make it as a tag flip. So make more tags, and I think these are all very cute ideas. And then you could decorate this part and put your stuff inside. So it's very quick to finish this tutorial. And I will also do the other tutorials as soon as possible. So if you have any questions, just let me know. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.